Hi there, this is Caleb again with another tips and tricks video. Today I wanted to go over how to reset your password in the site. I get plenty of phone calls on this, and there's always one step of this that kind of trips people up. So let's go ahead and go through this. Okay, I'm using my email here, and I don't know, anything random where you don't know the password here. So I put the incorrect password in, you get this pop-up. Then what we're going to want to do is click the forgot your password, put whatever your email is in, and then submit it. Now, it should, within a minute or two, automatically send you a temporary password to use. So I would have your phone or tab with your email or your laptop pulled up nearby, so you can get your email up and take a look. Alright, so I've got that temporary code. So you're going to re-enter your email, and then whatever that temporary code is, you'll put that in here. Now I would keep this code handy, whether you copy it or just have it in front of you. You'll go to sign in, and this is the step that trips people up. So you'll get this pop up here. From there, you're going to put that temporary code in again under your email. Alright, and then from there is when you can just put whatever you'd like here. Go ahead and sign in, and it should let you in, no problem. As I said, I get this call a lot. Feel free to give us a call should you have any issues getting into your account, and I can happily take care of it as well. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.